Alright guys, this is finally the day that I get to unbox the Glossybox. I'm gonna just cut it open from here. Cut one more. Turn it upside down. This is the Christmas advent calendar from Glossybox. It's huge. I love the color. Can you tell we're matching? Rose gold, pink thing going on. I've never actually opened any beauty advent calendar before, so this is my very first one and I'm really excited to open it. Just a few details that I'm gonna tell you. In the box, it's worth £300, and if you're not a subscriber you can actually buy this for £99, but if you're a subscriber you can buy this for £75. This advent calendar is 25 days, so 25 days of Christmas. So you get 25 products in here and 17 of them are full size. I'm holding this because it's gonna probably fall, so I'm gonna like try and figure out a way to balance it. I am so excited to open it up. Oh my goodness. Guys, can you see this? So gorgeous. Like opening a wardrobe. And then there's writing over here. I'm just gonna read it to you. It's happiness, love, fun, freedom, peace, dignity, health, beauty, confidence, purpose, strength, laughter, hope, passion, courage, laughter. It's funny how laughter is in it twice, but I think it's worth something. Over here it says Glossybox. So we're gonna start from door number 1. So we got a NARS item in door 1. Oh my gosh. And it's called Immoral. It's a pink shade. This is beautiful. I love the packaging. And it's a travel size. One Glossybox. You got me a first box. Now we have box number 2. Ooh. It smells so nice. Anyway, so this is the Nip and Fab Hydrate Dragon Blood Fix Plumping Serum. It's a general size. It's a 30 ml. Apply to cleanse face. Use morning and evening before your moisturizer. I really need a serum. I'm gonna have to try this out and see how it goes. It smells very fruity. Looks nice though. I like it. I like it a lot. Next we have box number 3, guys. No, it's a Yankee Candle. So this is the perfect tree with pure natural extract. I love scented candles. I love Yankee Candles. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's in a Glossybox. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells like Christmassy. I smell vanilla in there. Definitely smell vanilla in there. This is gonna be on my bedside every night now. Box number 4. Can you see this rose gold? I live for rose gold. This color looks so good on me. Let's get back to business. Here we have Philip Kingsley bodybuilding conditioner. It smells like a bar of soap. It's for fine, limp or fly away hair types. That's probably my type of hair, so I wouldn't mind trying this out. Number 5. Oh, box this baby. So this is a mascara and it's by MDA Flower. Greater Than Mascara. I've never heard of this brand before, so let's see how it looks. Very jet black. The one looks really nice. I like skinny brushes. And it's a full size. A box number 6. We need to stop playing around. We've got, I think it's called Mino. I have used this brand before. It was blue liquid eyeshadow and it was amazing. If you check my Instagram page, you see that I used one of their eyeshadow primers. This is a lip primer. Oh, that smells good. It smells very rosy. The lip primer acts as a perfect base for lipstick. Provides a smooth matte finish and lasting color. So we're gonna have to start using the lip primer. Can't wait to try this out. Next is box number 7. It's like opening Christmas presents on Christmas Day. Here we have Patisserie de Bain and it's a strawberry cupcake bath and shower cream. Just gonna smell it and it's already pouring out. Oh, it smells so good. Spilling everywhere. And this is a 50 ml. Day number 8. Ooh. It's a makeup brush from Real Technique. This is the expert brush. I have one of these already, but mine is an orange version. I love it. I love using it for foundations. I like Real Technique makeup brushes. They last so long. I've had mine for about 5 years. It's quite affordable. I love the packaging. Pink, my new best friend. I love the feeling of a new brush. So soft, gentle. Next is the box number 9. I feel like I'm doing type of lotto or something. So What's in this box? This is a Charles Wellington Volume and Balm Body Booster Mousse. And this is a chocolate size. When it comes to mousse, I'm not a big fan because it goes everywhere. Ooh. Sorry. Ooh. Everything just smells fruity now. This smells like fruit and toffee. Like sweet. Maybe I'm crazy for sweets. This definitely smells like sweet. You would actually eat it. Next is box number 10. It's the Bare Mineral Fertile Power Infusion. So it says, after cleansing, apply 2 pumps over entire face and neck. Use morning and night. I'm thinking it's a serum as well. I've heard so much good stuff about Bare Minerals products. Only thought they did makeup products. I didn't know they do skincare as well. This would be a great to try. It's a travel size. I can travel with it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It feels very nice. It feels very soft. It smells really good. Very natural and fresh. Day number 11, we've got Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's a kiss proof finish, and it's a full size. So it's just a clear gloss. So this is really good if you have a matte lipstick on and you want to put some gloss on it, just to put some moisture back into your lips. You can just tap this and put it on if you feel like your lips are drying out, or you can wear it by itself for a nice shine on your lips. Natural boom. Make your lips kissable. It's not sticky, so that's really good. I can't stand sticky lip glosses. I'm really happy that it's not sticky. Next is box number 12. Halfway there, guys. Halfway there. Ooh, it's a palette. It's a Makeup Academy 15 shade palette. Look at the shades. Oh, the shades are so gorgeous. There's a bit of gold, there's a bit of purple, pinks, red. I love the purple and pink though. They're screaming my name. Nice palette for a look. It's quite a good palette to use if you're starting off with makeup. Quite affordable, and you have a variety of colors and shimmers and matte. First palette. Ooh. Next is day number 13. Okay, so I'm gonna butcher this name. Karma Mid-Dew. It's a charcoal age defense sponge. It's for combination skin. It's natural, pure, and active. Just before you use, soak thoroughly for 3 to 5 minutes in warm water. Gently massage your face in a circular motion. After use, clean and rinse well. Hang by the thread to dry. So I'm guessing when you wet it, it becomes soft, because this is quite hard. It's like a rock. Dang. Charcoal facial care has become quite popular nowadays. So everything charcoal, everybody is like rushing to go and grab it. So I would love to try this and see how it goes. Next day is day number 14, and everything is coming down. Ooh. In this box we have Refebra hair care, and this is a restoring mask. This is a full size product, so it's 100 ml. So it's a treatment for damaged hair. It's got seaweed in it, so you have to apply to damp hair and massage. Leave on for a few minutes and rinse. The next day is day number 15. Incredible Jelly Shot. So it's a lip quencher to hydrate the lips. So it's got a flower inside of it. How did it get flower inside of it? And it's clear. Day number 16, Pop Beauty. And this is a metallic copper. It's a good size, so this will last you a very long time. It's a really nice color, so it's a good color for Christmas. Day number 17, it's a brush. Another makeup brush. So this is the brand Luxe Beauty Tapered Highlighter Brush. Feels really good. Love the rose gold writing. The blue looks really nice as well. I've never heard of this brand before. New highlighting brush. Yes. I always need a new highlighting brush because I have too many highlighters. Way too many. Day number 18 is Fluid Glowy Highlighter. Look at that. Oh yeah. I was just talking about highlighter. It's funny how they put a highlighting brush and then the next box they put a highlighter in there. Glossybox. Why? Why are you doing this to me, y'all? It's very natural and it's golden. It's nice for my chocolate girls. My chocolate sisters. They can use it for multiple things. You can mix it with your foundation to make it more dewy. You can use it as a highlighter on your face if you want to, or you can use it by itself, or on your shoulder, or anywhere on your body really. Eyeshadow primer or all over eyeshadow. Nice glow. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Day number 19. This is by the brand Cratchy and Evelyn, London. Rose water and pink peppercorn. A hand therapy, so it's a hand cream, so you can use it in your hands whenever it's dry, especially this winter. My hands is always dry, so I can't wait to use this. And this is in 25 ml. I think it's the travel size. The front size. You can definitely smell rose water in there. It smells really good. I love anything with rose. Oil, rose water. Love it. To have the rose water on your hands. It smells really good though. So good. Okay, let's get to the next one. The next one is box number 20. We've got a Steve Laurent lip gloss and it's in the shade Eggplant. It was the packaging. That's rose gold packaging. Alright. Ooh, look at that shade. Matches with my nails. Just gonna swatch it for you guys. Never had a lip gloss like this before. It was a really nice shade. Never heard of Steve Laurent before. This is a full size. I think it's an expensive brand. Next we've got box number 21. Ooh, nice. This is the Pixie by Petra and it's a blush. Very natural shade. This is in the shade Beach Rose. Still staying in the rose theme. And you all know that I love Pixie products. I have never tried their makeup products before, but I do use their toner for my face every morning and every evening. Day number 22. We have Zellen's Transformer Intense Renewal Mask. Never heard of this brand before either. It's travel size face mask. I can smell rose water in there as well. So the next one is a day number 23. So here we've got an eye coat product. And this is the Fat Stick in Satin. So it's just an eye stick that you just put on as an eyeshadow or an eye base and then put on your eyeshadow on top of that. I have another one of these, so I might give this one away. Day number 24, Christmas Eve. And this is Mitchell and Peach Fine Radiance Face Oil. To use, massage 2 to 3 drops into clean skin, alone or under moisturizer. It smells nice. It smells like peppermint. I wonder if there's peppermint in this. Oh, this feels so good. This has got coconut oil, apricots, kernel oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, lavender oil, vitamin E oil, rose extract, vanilla extract, sweets, violet extracts, yin and yang oil, and rose oil. Yes, just good oils in there. It'd be really nice to use it at night time. I'll probably be using it by itself or I did to some of my moisturizers. So the final day is day number 25, Christmas Day. Oh my gosh, it's actually stuck on so strong. Ooh. This is the Huda Beauty palette and this is the winter highlighter palette. I actually can't believe there's a Huda Beauty product in Glossybox. I've got a NARS product and a Huda Beauty product. Ooh, this looks really nice and fancy. Very special. And mine's broken? Oh no. Can you guys see that? This one here, the anti-glow, just spilled everywhere. Oh, but look at that glow. Oh, I'm so sad. Can't believe it's broken. I'm just gonna try it and use it. Ooh, you see that shade? Ooh, the shade looks like a hint of blue in it. Really, really nice. I'm gonna just swatch the rest for you to see. This is Northern Light. That's just one swatch. No, that's my bad. That's Winter Rose. And this is Northern Light. And then the other one, it's a cream blush, so I can't really swatch that. Oh, I was actually really looking forward to that. Now it's empty. Anyway guys, that is everything that I got from the Glossybox advent calendar. This is my very first advent calendar and I absolutely love the fact that there was a full product. And I know most of those products are really expensive, so for the price that you get for it for £75 if you're a subscriber, that's a bargain. Guys, let me know if you've got any advent calendar this year. Let me know which is your favorite and let me know which is your favorite product. Any item that I do not like, I will be giving it away. Most of them are going to be going towards a giveaway. and I will announce it soon on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.